Hello and welcome back to Face Finance. This update is for February 20th, 2021, and this update is especially for North Carolina residents. North Carolina Senate passed a COVID-19 relief bill on Wednesday, and they are spending about $1 billion in response to the pandemic, and they will be giving out $335 to the families, and the stimulus payments will cost around $440 million, according to the Senate Republicans, while the whole country is waiting for the third stimulus check for $1,400. They have already released a $335 stimulus check. And just to let you know about the third stimulus check update as well, it will be signed 100% by March 14th. Actually, they are still negotiations are still going on and all that stuff. They are purposely waiting for March 14th because that is the day that unemployment benefits expire. Okay, so they are purposely waiting for that, and they will sign it on that date. And after that, unemployment benefits will go up to $400 extra up to I believe August 29th. Okay, so if you are from North Carolina state, then this payment has nothing to do with $1,400. This is just coming directly from the state. Okay, so there are some different updates as well, such as from Maryland state. They are proposing a stimulus check for, I believe, $450 for the families and $250 for the individuals. This is one round, and then again they will offer around $250 for the family and $200 for the individuals. Michigan is already sending a check by February 25th for the school teachers and school staff. So basically, there are different states. They are trying to give out money before even the federal government do something about it. So just make sure to subscribe to this channel, as I am trying to bring you unique news, as everybody else are still focusing on stimulus check, the number 3. And anyways, over there nothing is changing, but they are still making videos every day just to show something. So make sure to subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.